Hello everyone, welcome back to Vickie's Country Home. Well, tonight is turkey tacos. This is what I made all this extra turkey for because this is one thing my family wants every year. We save most of the dark meat because it just makes such wonderful tacos. And I have a video on the turkey tacos, so I'm not going to show you that. But since we're having Mexican food, I wanted to have some side dish to go along with it. And I recently found a recipe. There was a restaurant called Chevy's Fresh Mix that we used to go to. And every meal you'd get this little bitty side dish called a Sweet Corn Tomalito. And it's kind of like a corn pudding, but made with masa, and you don't use regular flour in this one, and you don't use eggs. So today I'm gonna make sweet corn tomalito, and I'm hoping that this is like what I had before because that was so good. And they gave you just this little bitty scoop. Well, we're gonna have more than that. So let's get started on it. I don't have fresh corn right now. We don't have fresh much of anything right now. So I have 6 cups of the thawed frozen corn, and I'm going to put 4 cups into my food processor. You could make this completely smooth, but this recipe had a little bit of whole kernel corn in it, so that's how I'm making it. So let's get this blended up till it's smooth. More. All right, so that's the texture we're looking for. So I'm going to take this out and put it in a mixing bowl. All right, got that set aside. Now I'm going to take half a stick of butter, which is about 4 tablespoons. To the butter, I'm going to add 2/3 cup of sugar and half a cup of prepared masa. And you can either buy this in a Mexican market it's for tamales or something. I made it out of maseca, and I just added milk till I got the texture that I wanted because, and I think maybe it needs just a touch more because I let this sit so that it could soak up the milk. Because when you buy masa, it's already prepared. It has already reached the right texture. But after sitting, it's going to soak up that. I think I need a little more. This sat for about half hour, so that will tell you, let it sit for a little while. And it changed texture during that time. this masa actually calls for water, but I wanted to use milk. I just want a soft dough. And that's more like it. So I'm going to measure about a half a cup of the masa. Now I'm going to blend this up till it gets light and fluffy. And I believe we're there. Nice and fluffy. And then we're going to add that to the corn that we blended up. All right, to this I'm going to add 3/4 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of regular cornmeal, ¾ teaspoons of baking powder, ¾ teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of half and half. Now I'm just going to blend that together. And now we're going to add the 2 reserved cups of the corn that we did not blend up. And we're going to put this in a 9 by 13 baking dish. And I haven't done anything to it. I love my Pyrex bowls. I use these things every day. Alright, just level it out. I'm going to cover this tightly with foil. I did this once, but the camera was not recording again. And I'm going to set this inside of a roasting pan and fill it between 3/4 and 1 inch with water. And I'm going to bake this at 250 degrees for 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches 175 degrees. So we'll see you back then. Okay, here is my turkey taco, my homemade pinto beans, and my Sweet Corn Tomalito. And I'm gonna take a taste. Not gonna show you because I got too many things going at the same time. Oh my gosh. So much corn flavor. Just a little sweet, but so good. This is like we got at the Chevy's Fresh Max restaurants, and we love it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And more than anything, please hit that little notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a video. Thank you for watching. God bless, and we'll talk again soon.